everyone, today's topic is offbeat where I'll unbox MacBook Pro along with Magic Mouse that I bought recently and I wanted to share its first look with you all. So this is MacBook Pro 15 inches with touch bar and it's very beautifully packed in white color box with Apple logo on the side. Now here comes the beautiful sleek MacBook in space grey color. Its thickness is just over half inches and it's very lightweight as well. Looks stunning. It's with the Mojave operating system, which is named after a desert in US, and it has touch bar with Touch ID for unlocking the device with fingerprint. Let me open up other things. We'll talk about it later in the video in details. So here are other things inside the box, and this is USB cable. And very sleek power adapter. Join the plug in the adapter, and this USB-C cable can be connected from any side, which is very convenient. And here are some docs or manuals with 2 Apple stickers in it. Now let's open up the Magic Mouse, which is nicely packed in white color box. It's a beautiful white color mouse that comes with charging connector. The cable is same as iPhone cable. Let's open up MacBook now, which comes in a nice folder-like cover, and it's very light and sleek, just 1.8 kg and 15.4 inches screen. And the moment we open it, it turns on automatically. No need to press the power button, and you can also see the icons on the touch bar. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to start using the device. It has Intel i7 6-core processor with 16 GB RAM and 512 GB hard disk, and comes with 4 USB-C port and 3.5 mm audio jack. It has lots of interesting features. The one I liked most is I can use it as my phone, as you can connect iPhone and take or make phone calls with MacBook. So I hope you like this video. See you all soon.